How to make American chocolate cake. As you see, it's so delicious and very nice. About the miroir, I will leave the description box below how to make this miroir without fresh cream. Half kilo of butter, half kilo of icing sugar, pinch of vanilla. We mix it together to be creamy. When becomes creamy, I added quarter cup of milk, like 50 milli of fresh milk or fresh cream, whatever you can. We bring the chocolate cake. We make it in so many video. If you didn't see the video, leave the comment below. I send you the link. What we do, I cut 3 layers equally, and then I added in the same ring. I make the cake is the best way. Then I give a syrup. Syrup is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. We boil it with half juice of lemon. Just boil for 3 minutes and become syrup. Regarding the ganache, the same glaçage or miroir I do. I added to the buttercream until becomes nice chocolate color. As you see, I can piping back, or I piping with a spoon. You will see both different. As you see, I added syrup first, then another layer of buttercream. Then I can add some chocolate nuts, chocolate chips, whatever filling you want. Then I cover it again with the last layer. Again, syrup is very important to keep the cake moist a long time. Then you keep it in the freezer for 3 hours. After 3 hours in the freezer, as you see, I covered the cake. If you don't have cake stand, you can find any bottle or any tin. Then you cover it with a table, and all you can see, I adjust everything. Then if you have right experience, you can hold it in your hand and you can adjust with the spatula all the size. Then I keep it back to the freezer. Very important to put back in the freezer. I cover it, as you see, and then